can't even see what the. He done made that car go off.
Get out the way. That's work truck. Spin it! Yellow, white,
I had the flash. Smoke screen. Yes, sir. What's that? What's that? Yes, sir.
I'm sick as fuck.
trying.
Yeah, mom.
Okay, then.
Smoke.
Wait. Oh, shit. Turn the wheel a little bit. There you go. There you go. Got cars down there, all around. Uh-oh. Look, here goes another one. That shit sounds nice.
These niggas tripping.
What's it gonna do? 8?
That's the bad thing when you have all your
At nighttime. Is that electric scooter? This is where the tire should be at. It's enough room. Motherfuckers trying to go all the way down there and shit. You about to do it? Oh, let me get. Hold on, let me get in. I should have brought the big camera out. Oh, you want me to get the GoPro?
Yeah, it don't matter.
Oh shit, hold on. I'm about to get the GoPro. Yeah, I'm gonna get the GoPro. Where your car at?
All the way down there.
It's all the way down there.
All the way down there.
And Chinese fuck it. Nah, fuck it. We ain't walking that far. We ain't walking that far. Shit. I ain't walking that damn far. I'm just using this.
We gon' pull up with those sticks and hop out with them choppers. Walking out the
Niggas don't play music. I play music.
He's out playing music.
But that 40 let that pistol single melody. Fuck all of that talking, we can go to war. I ain't marinating.
He said, fuck these tires down and show them out. Shit. Damn, boy. Shit. Okay, you know how I swing this motherfucking shit.
It's so fast. We gonna open this bitch all the way up.
Oh, shit.
Tires tonight.
Hey, hold on. I can't even switch this bitch around, but shit. Hey, swinging shit,
That's all we do, bro. Swing shit all night. Where the hat came off? He said the hat came off.
oh
He
shit.
said the hat came off.
Hey, he swung this bitch. I ain't gonna cut. Look at that shit. Look at that.
Very true.
Damn.
Know this bitch, bro. I still about to get that differential, man. I gotta
Hell
switch that bitch. I'm definitely about to get that shit switched. I think I'm gonna get the knob too.
Ooh, shit.
So I can turn that motherfucker.